Why do you feel the need to sneeze when you're exposed to bright light? Sneezing when exposed to bright light is known as photic sneeze reflex or sun sneezing. It's believed to be a genetic trait, and around 18 to 35% of people experience this reflex. The exact cause is not entirely understood, but it may be related to the way the optic nerve responds to bright light. The optic nerve, which controls vision, is located near the trigeminal nerve, which controls sneezing. The stimulation of the optic nerve by bright light may accidentally trigger the trigeminal nerve, leading to a sneeze. This phenomenon is harmless and is more common in individuals with light-colored eyes.